What's up, my blend friends? No small talk. Today I'm getting straight into the video. I'm going to show you how to pulse and lock your BlendJet 2. Now, right now I'm just throwing in any kind of ingredients just to show you the example of how to do it. I'm just adding a little bit of juice. I'm going to add some mango and some banana. That's all I'm doing. But like I said, I'm throwing something together just to give you an idea of just seeing how it looks whenever you do pulse it and how it looks whenever you lock it. Look at me making a mess. Since you all are watching and you may not know, you always want to add in your liquid first. I'm just adding just a little bit more so it won't get stuck, but sometimes it still can get stuck up under the blade. But you want to add in your liquid first, and a lot of times you want to turn it sideways to start upside down. As you see right here, that red light flash, my fruit got stuck up under the blade, and what I'm doing is just shaking it down. Sometimes that works, sometimes it doesn't. As you see, it did work, and as you see again, the banana got stuck again up under the blade, and I am shaking. Or you can open it and just take a fork or something and remove it. But this is the only thing that I do not like about the BlendJet 2, that it gets stuck up under the blade if you have like a big frozen piece of fruit or something. But like I said, the only thing you have to do is shake it, and you can continue with blending your smoothie. Okay, so since that's finished blending, I am going to show you how to pulse your BlendJet 2. What you want to do is double press the power button. You will see blue lights flashing from left to right 3 times, and the swirl will stay on while you pulse it. So you just press, okay, and then you press, and then you can press, or you can hold it down and it will pulse for just a little bit longer. Again, I'm going to double press the power button until I see blue lights flashing from left to right 3 times, and then I can begin to press and pulse my smoothie. Pulse mode will end after 5 seconds of inactivity. As you see, the light goes off, then you can press the button and you can continue to blend your smoothie or whatever you have in your BlendJet. Okay, moving on to how to lock it. Now, we know if you have your BlendJet 2 and you want to put it in your bag, you want to travel, and you're worried about it blending while you're on the go, you may not even know it. You have your things that are in your bag with your BlendJet 2, it might hit up against the power button and it's just blending, and you're like, oh my goodness, I didn't mean to do that. Well, there is a way that you can lock your BlendJet 2, and I'm just showing you an example here as I'm using my jet setter from BlendJet. I'm putting my BlendJet inside of the pocket part, and as you see, if anything hits it, it will start to blend. As you see, the light is going around, and like, oh, that's a mistake. So I'm going to show you how to lock it so this does not happen. To do this, what you want to do is hold down the power button until you see the purple light flash 3 times. Now it's locked. Nothing that hits against it will turn on the power button. As you see, I'm pressing it in case something hits up against trying to turn it on. It will not work. Now, it will stay in lock mode until you decide to unlock it. So, of course, I'm going to tell you how to do that. The great thing about lock mode is that it will not be blending while you're traveling. So if you get to your destination and want to add something else to your smoothie or whatever you have in there, you don't want your battery to be dead. It's gonna have to charge again. Now that you have arrived to your destination and you're ready to blend, first want to check to make sure that it's still locked, which it will be. Now to unlock it, what you want to do is hold down the power button until the blue circle flash 3 times and it is out of lock mode. Then you can begin to blend whatever you have in your BlendJet. And now that you are done blending, of course, you can add it to your glass or cup of choice. I like to pour it in like I call my handy dandy glass, but you can pour it into whatever you would like. or you can drink straight from your BlendJet 2. What you want to do is turn it over, unscrew the base, and you will see it flash red, which means that you are detaching it from the jar, and you can sip on it or put a straw in. I hope this video helped. If it has, please comment down below and let me know. And again, I'll see you in the next one.